Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I'm starting a new video of what is for dinner, and there's a lot of new people on my channel here lately, so I wanted to kind of chat a little bit more in this what's for dinner. I do a big combination of cooking fresh things, and also sometimes I cook side dishes like this, or like maybe boxed things, to make my life easier, to be honest. But we grill a lot in the summer, so in the summer you'll see a lot of grilling clips. But I'm gonna roast these asparagus. I have to move this because the light is killing me right now. I'm gonna roast these. I have some the Michelangelo's bruschetta chicken in the oven right now. It's from BJ's. It's really good. We got it once and it was so good that I actually wrote a note to buy it again. But let me go ahead and insert a picture right now of it so you know what it looks like. If you are a BJ's shopper, I highly recommend this meal. Anyways, tonight we are having that meal, and along with it, last time I made it, we've only had it one other time, I made it over some Near East rice pilaf, but tonight I thought I'd make it with this Trader Joe's gnocchi. This is the tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese gnocchi, so I'm going to make this as like a little side, and then the roasted asparagus as well, and then we're going to have brownies for dessert. These are still too hot to cut, but yeah, you'll see in this video, sometimes I make things kind of all on my own without any help from store-bought items. I love veggies. We do, we're like a meat and potatoes, pasta family, but we do love veggies. So you'll see a wide variety on my What's for Dinner videos. I do have a whole playlist for those who are new, so I'll link that in the description box below. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video, and I hope you guys enjoy seeing what I cooked for dinner for the next couple weeks. Alright guys, here are the plates. Again, that Michelangelo's bruschetta chicken, the Trader Joe's tomato mozzarella gnocchi, and then the roasted asparagus. So it looks really, really yummy. This is our dinner tonight, and we will see you guys for tomorrow night's dinner. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight we're having this sort of soup, like a little thicker than a soup. It almost is like a stoop, but there's ditalini, sausage, beans, all kinds of veggies, and then I just topped it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is like one of my tried and true soups. I change it up a little bit each time I make it. This time I added corn, but it's really, really good. It has a tomato and chicken based broth. I think I have a video on this or something like it, so I'll link that down below. But this is our dinner tonight. We're going to dig in, and we'll see you tomorrow night. Hey guys, so we're grilling tonight. Our best friend Justin is over, so Matt and Justin have the two bigger steaks, and mine is the smaller one, even though even the small one is pretty large. So we got some nice strip steaks with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, and rosemary, and then I've got some fresh pineapple spears that I cut off a fresh pineapple with a little bit of cinnamon sugar and then a little bit of cinnamon. So we're going to throw all these on the grill, and then I also have some of the Trader Joe's haricot vert green beans that I'm going to bring to a boil and add garlic and butter, and then we're going to have some fresh cut up watermelon. But yes, this is going to be a really yummy dinner tonight. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight, here's our plates. So this is Justin's plate, my plate, and Matt's plate, and we all have the haricot vert garlic butter green beans, the grilled pineapple with some cinnamon on it. My steak is the smallest, like I mentioned, and then I also have some cut up watermelon that we're going to have as well, because it's just kind of light and refreshing. But this is dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's a random weeknight. My husband actually had to work a little bit late. Normally he's home by 5, but right now it is actually a little after 5, and he's stuck at work because this is his busy season. So sometimes you gotta just mom life on your own. So I am making some baked chicken wings. I was actually planning to grill them, But again, my husband had to work late, so I have to improvise. So I have these cleaned really nice, you know, with water, and then I patted them dry. I rubbed them with olive oil, and I just put salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Really easy. The key is to dry your meat. It'll brown a lot better. And then I have some sweet potatoes that I tossed very lightly in just some extra virgin olive oil. And I just put a little bit of the pink sea salt. I'm going to do a little black pepper, and then I'm going to do a little bit of cinnamon sugar on these. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and boil up some quinoa. And I'm actually going to boil the quinoa in chicken broth to give it a little bit more flavor. And I'm not sure yet if I'm going to add any like veggies or anything to this. But yes, going to be a really easy dinner. I also have some cut up fresh watermelon in the fridge that I think I'll put out as well, just for something fresh. But yeah, gotta improvise, so I'll show you guys what everything looks like when I pull it together. Alright guys, so here's how the dinner turned out. The wings are nice and crispy from being baked. I do them at about 425 for 15 minutes, and then I reduce the heat to 400 for about 20 minutes. The quinoa I cooked in chicken broth, and I added some chickpeas and herbs. I added some thyme, some garlic, salt, pepper, a splash of olive oil. The sweet potatoes are delicious. They have like a nice candied taste. And then I've also pulled out the fresh chopped up watermelon in case we want a little bit of that as well. But yes, pulled it together. Matt just got home from work, and we're gonna dig in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight we're having the Zatarain's dirty rice. So I just did some grass-fed beef, cooked it and drained all the fat, and then I added the rice mix, which is just like a seasoned rice, and I topped it with a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese. It actually makes a good amount, so we'll have some left over for like a little side dish. And then I made some salads. Here's Matt's, mine's on the table. Just a mixed green salad with tomatoes, olives, chickpeas, some little wonton strips, and then we're gonna have this Marzetti Simply Dressed balsamic vinaigrette dressing, which is really good. So we're both gonna have a salad, and then the dirty rice with beef. Really easy dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so here is the baked stuffed shrimp after it came out of the oven. The filling got all nice and crispy. I did it over some of the Near East rice pilaf, and then I just did a little zucchini sauteed with a little bit of bacon. And it's really good, yummy. It looks fancy, but it was actually pretty easy. Again, I'll link the recipe for this that I used down below, but it's a really good dinner. And then we're gonna dig in, and we'll see you tomorrow. So I did breakfast for dinner this night, which I do usually once a week, and we had a couple friends over, so nobody ever complains when I make breakfast food for dinner. So I'm just turning the bacon over really quick. And I apologize for the lighting in these next few clips. My son actually messed with my camera settings, and I have to readjust them. I did not realize it until after I put this video on my computer. Hash brown casserole, because everybody loves it and begs for it when they come for dinner. The waffles were the confetti kind of birthday cake flavor I grabbed at Christmas Tree Shop, and I actually just thought they were okay, but nobody complained. Everybody said they were just fine. And final plate, the confetti waffle, some bacon, and the hash brown casserole, and nobody really was talking because everybody was enjoying digging in, and it was actually a really good dinner. On this night, we just grilled some burgers and dogs with some friends, and I had leftover hash brown casserole from that breakfast for dinner, so that was a really easy side dish to go along with it, and we ate outside. It was beautiful weather. Hope you guys enjoyed this What's for Dinner This Week video, and I will see you guys in the next one.